Got the gutter off. You can see this little jig I made worked. Today I'm going to be taking care of a serious problem that I've been having for a while now. That's water leaking from my gutter onto the fascia board. Now this is 100% my fault because I am the one who installed these gutters. And I'm 100% confident that I did not install them correctly. Today I'm going to be correcting that problem. So I'm taking a couple of these boards up with me and I'm going to fasten it underneath the fascia board to see if I can get it to support holding the gutter up while I go down this long span. Now, although it's been draining like it's supposed to, I still get water behind the gutters. And you can see I tried to put some caulk, some type of tar behind it to seal it up. This does not work. So you can see I have my boards underneath the fascia board to hold up the gutter. And I also put a screw on the edge of it so that the gutter wouldn't fall forward off of the board. I'm about quarter of the way there. I'm about a quarter of the way there, and so far so good. Got this whole span to do. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the progress. Got the gutter off. You can see this little jig I made worked. It's sitting on this board that I made underneath, and it's holding the gutter up. So now I'm going to see if I can slip the drip edge underneath and get it to pitch in one direction so that I can get a good drainage. I think I'm going to go with a 16th of an inch. I have a 6 foot level. I don't know if that's the right tool to use for it, but or a small torpedo level, whichever one. But I'm gonna try to do a 16th of an inch um, pitch. That way it can drain properly. I'm putting the drip edge over the gutter and I'm gonna fasten it. I also have a 2 foot level on the ground I'm gonna put in here, run it along as I go down before I fasten it to make sure that I'm at least a 16th of an inch drop as I go, probably every 2 to 3 feet. I'll check it again. So you can see how high I went up based off of my board. That's about almost a 2 inch rise right there. And I'm gonna continue to carry down about a 16th of an inch all the way until I get a good fall. So one thing I want to note as I'm working down, I still got a few more screws to screw in. I can see how it's kind of curvy. So I have my tape measure. I'm gonna measure the distance from the drip edge to the edge of the gutter. Right now I have 5 inches right there. And so I'm gonna try to see if I can keep it consistent. That way, when you look down that long stretch, it's not wavy. And just for aesthetic look, that it could look good. Don't know if that's such a thing, but that's what I'm gonna do. Making my way down, screwing the hangers back on to the fascia board, and nearly there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, after a long night, I got the gutters back up. Just need a good power wash. I got the drip edge inside the gutter this time. It's kind of dark, so but I'm super proud to have gotten it done. I'm taking the time. I try to make sure that it was straight. Make sure everything was straight. Got my fasteners back on. Took those boards off. Probably go through and put some adhesive in the screw holes that I did. Other than that, this one is a wrap.